F.A.C.E.S is a facial recognition boarding system owned and operated by AirAsia, with the purpose of enabling a seamless boarding experience for you. It is currently available for flights departing selected airports in Malaysia. So, how do we use it? Step 1. Enroll using your passport or Malaysian IC. Remember to look at the camera for facial enrollment. Step 2. Check in at home through our app or site and reach the airport early for baggage drop. Step 3. Scan your boarding pass at the airport security checkpoint and go through F.A.C.E.S verification. Smile at the camera. Step 4. Clear immigration for international flights. Finally, board your flight using F.A.C.E.S at the boarding gate. Smile at the camera again. It's that simple. Find out more at faces.airasia.com.